Welcome to our channel, where we introduce our lending technology and the value it delivers to financial institutions. In this video, we'll talk about some simple but important things. In any business, customers originate from multiple sources, and the credit industry is no exception. Potential borrowers are generated through diverse acquisition channels, including online application forms, inbound and outbound call centers, partner integrations, marketing campaigns, and digital identity verification services. Each of these sources generates a separate data stream. If these streams are not consolidated within a unified management system, the business faces the risk of uncontrolled lead losses, duplicate customer records, and disruptions to the integrity of the loan processing workflow. That is precisely why the CRM component of the MicroF1 platform serves as the central control hub for managing the customer onboarding journey. From the very first interaction to the final credit approval decision, even a simple visit to a website leaves a digital footprint. However, a visitor becomes a qualified lead the moment they take action, by placing a call, completing an application form, or submitting their contact details. From that point forward, a structured and fully managed onboarding process begins. The MicroF1 system automatically captures such interactions within the Leads section of the admin panel. All inbound and outbound contacts are consolidated here, with clear attribution to their source, creation date, assigned manager, and current lead status. Each record is an individual controlled entity within the CRM. When opening a record, a lead card is generated, which can be accessed by clicking on the ID. Here, we can see the client's contact details, acquisition source, processing status, complete communication history, and all internal comments recorded during engagement with the prospect. You can also see the full list of completed calls and the targeted actions carried out by the marketing team. This means the system doesn't just store a contact, it creates a structured entry point into the onboarding process. Every interaction is recorded, every action has a status, and no potential client is left unmanaged. In practice, many borrowers complete only the first few steps of registration. They enter their mobile number, provide their name, and then drop off before finishing the process. In MicroF1, even partially entered data is saved. If a client interrupts the registration process, the system remembers their steps and allows them to continue from the exact point where they stopped. Comments are recorded not only in the client profile form, but also in the application record and the loan record. This creates a single communication chain that can be accessed at any time to review the history of work with the client. For example, in the PDL lending segment, this is especially important due to short decision-making timelines and the high pace of processing. A typical comment chain may look like this: employment details clarification requested, documents re-uploaded, photo of income certificate requested. This structured format provides a complete end-to-end view of client interaction, from the initial contact through to the final credit decision, enabling faster, more informed lending operations. For convenience, the system allows the creation of standard comment templates that are most frequently used during the processing of clients, applications, or loans. This enables managers to quickly record standard actions without re-entering text, while maintaining a consistent format of internal communication. Now, let's return to the CRM module in the main menu. Here, you can see one of the key client management pages, the funnel. This is a practical tool that helps you control the entire process, from registration to credit approval and loan funding. Each client appears according to their current status, and the system allows you to quickly filter applications by date, source, scoring decision, department, or tags. Special attention should be given to the Sent for Revision tab. This is where applications are placed if they require clarification or additional information. For example, an incomplete application form, inconsistencies in documents, the need for additional verification, clarification of income or employment details. The Under Revision status allows you not to reject the application immediately, but to return it to active processing. the manager can see the reason for revision, contact the client, collect the required information, and relaunch the review process. As a result, the funnel becomes more than just a list of clients. It turns into a flexible tool for managing both risk and conversion. CRM in MicroF1 is more than just a contact database. It's an integrated system for managing the entire customer lifecycle within a single fintech platform. Funnels, comments, workflows, tags, and analytics come together in a single operational layer, ensuring smooth onboarding, consistent processing quality, and transparent decision-making. As a result, the company gains a clear, structured, and scalable framework for managing its lending business. Join us and stay ahead of the curve. Like the video and subscribe to our channel for more insights.